Guys, we decided to go to Kaosan today so we can also explore it. We just booked the Grab. It's 8 minutes away now. Time check, it's 9:23 and hopefully hindi tayo ma-traffic because it's a Friday, and as you know, Kaosan Road gets super rowdy and chaotic on weekends. Hopefully di rin mag-cancel yung driver kasi kanina may nag-cancel na. So, let's go! We're finally here in Kaosan, guys, and it's as chaotic as I expected. Parang nabibingi yung mga tenga ko. Hindi ko marinig yung sarili ko, guys, sa sobrang lakas ng mga tugtog dito. Parang narating na natin yung pinakadulo, guys. We're just looking for a place to eat, guys. Wala pa rin kami nahanap. Nakaka-overwhelm dito sa Kaosan Road. Kung ayaw nyo ng maingay, huwag kayong pupunta dito. Nakaka-overwhelm. Nakahanap na rin tayo ng kakainan, guys. Finally, okay naman yung prices. Actually, mas mura than what we've been having here sa Bangkok so far. I'll show you guys the menu. But yung restaurant na to, they've been in the Michelin Guide until 2024. So, I am expecting it's gonna be good, hopefully. Between 100 to 200 baht. Actually, may mga tig 60, 80 baht. Depende ko anong gusto nyo. So, parang gusto ko ng pad krapao. I wanna try it again. Just to give it another chance. Nakapili na tayo ng kakainin natin, guys. So, lahat chicken. So, I'll just update you later kapag nandito na yung food natin. First order is here, guys. Chicken pad thai. Omelette rice is also here. Try muna natin yung pad thai. Ooh. That is good pad thai. Sa presyo niya, guys, okay na siya. It's different from Tip Samay for sure. Pero masarap siya on its own. Try naman natin tong chicken omelette, guys. Cheers! Very comfort food yung lasa niya. That chicken basil dish is an explosion of flavor. Ang sarap. Ang linamnam. It's spicy, which I like. It's the tolerable heat for me. Let's chase it with some gulay. Sarap din. Really delish dinner for such a good price point.
The next day.
Checking out na today, guys. We have already fully checked out. Kinip lang namin dito yung mga luggages namin because we'll still be going to Chatuchak Market because it's a Saturday. Good thing inabutan natin siya bago tayo umalis. So, i-check lang natin kung may mabibili pa tayo. But probably mga konting stuff na lang dahil punong-puno na yung baggage namin. We also just want to check out what's in the market, try some food. A bit overcast today, not as sunny as the past days. Hopefully, hindi umulan. It's already our last day, but I don't think I've told you guys where we're staying. So, let me show you. So we're staying here at the Bangkok City Suite. Decent naman for the price that we paid for. We got the rooms for 1,700 pesos per night. And malaki na siya. Comfortable naman yung stay namin. I mean, it's not as modern. Hindi siya yung mga bago-bagong hotel. It's not as modern, but it's clean, it's decent, and we had a good stay. Siguro ang pinaka-con lang if you opt to stay here is that malayo siya sa train station. So we mostly just took Grab papunta dun sa mga places that we visited. We haven't really explored the MRT situation. So medyo napamahal kami in terms of the transpo. But the hotel is decent. It's also in a quiet neighborhood. If it's not your first time naman in Bangkok, I guess this is a hotel that you can also put in your consideration. Mall? We're here at Chatuchak Market, guys. Para siyang isang malaking taytay. I want a coconut milkshake, guys. It's 60 baht daw. Should we get one? Coconut juice na lang tayo, guys. 50 baht. Thank you. Cup. 50 baht, guys. Fresh coconut. Ang tamis ng coconut juice nila, guys. Refreshing. Okay, let's move. Nakahanap tayo ng bilihan ng mga inhalers, guys. Ito yung presyuhan. Itong brand na to is 90 baht. Yung Poison is 100.
This one, the best seller.
Yes.
You want to try?
Can we try?
Yeah, sure.
Kumuha tayo ng tatlo nun, guys. 95.
Yeah, 195.
Yung maliliit.
Oh,
How much the big one?
yeah, 360.
360.
Yeah.
For 12 pieces.
Same.
Mas mabango yung malaki. So big. How much is that?
280.
280.
Yeah, 280.
Kapunta. Got the goods, guys. Ang cute din bags nila, guys. Tapos 200 baht ang isa. Yung iba, you'll find the most random things, guys, dito sa Chatuchak. Because look, what do you mean? Merong mga shell dito just randomly being sold. Ayan no, iba-ibang klaseng shells yan, guys. We barely scratched the surface, guys. Ang laki pa pala nito. Nandun pa lang kami sa unahan and we already spent like 30 minutes there. Guys, I bought some candies. I got itong assorted na for 65 baht. And then, this time, milk tea flavor. Ayan, 100 pieces na daw to. 65 baht. So, 130 yung dalawa. May mga iba pang flavor. Like coconut, ayan. Corn, apple, yogurt. And madami actually. Time check it. 12:21. Sagsagan ng araw, kaya nag-decide kami din kumain muna. Our our crab pad thai is here, guys. This is my fourth and probably my last pad thai of this trip. We've tried chicken, we've tried shrimp, and now we're trying crab naman. Let's dig in. Cheers, guys! It's more on the fishier side than the other pad thais we've tried. Siyempre, it's crab. But ang sarap din niya, guys. Guys, dumating na din yung omelette natin na crab and it looks so good. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Ang sarap ng itsura. Thank you. Dito na rin yung papaya salad namin. Let's dig in. Ang refreshing ng papaya salad. Ang soft ng egg. Ito guys, dresses for 350 baht. Ang cute ng mga dress nila. Ang lamig sa mata. Dress comfortably when you go here in Chatuchak, guys. Kasi, tingnan nyo, pulas na tayo. But this is our fit for today. I'll get one. This is for my trinket. We're getting this. This. Oh, sorry. And then this. Ice cream break muna tayo, guys. We got salted caramel. Yung cup is 85. Here it is. Oh, look at their branding. I got myself a phone case, guys. Got this for 220 baht. Ito na siya. May built-in na siya na card holder. And then, kasama na din tong pinaka-strap. Guys, bumili din ako nitong tote bag, pampasalubong. 90 baht yung maliit, tapos 100 baht yung malaki. Ito yung mga napili ko. Ayan, itong color na to. Tsaka, ito. Maganda siya in person, guys. Parang may glittery effect siya. Ayan. Yan yung pasalubong ko to my sisters. $3:45 na and kakaalis lang namin ng Chatuchak kasi biglang umulan, guys. Sakto pagsakay namin ng sasakyan. Ayun na, bumuhos na. So, ang bait sa atin ng Bangkok kasi ngayong paalis na tayo tsaka siya nag-uulan. Guys, we're headed to the airport now. It's really gloomy and it's only 4 p.m. So, the weather is now shifting. Thank God we're already leaving for the airport. Nakasakay na rin tayo. Nakapag-book naman kami agad. Hopefully, the process to get to the airport, check-in, security checks, all of that will be okay. Medyo kabado lang sa luggages because saktong-saktong 20 kilos yung dala natin. So, let's see what happens. We're going home now, guys. Bye, Bangkok. to us, Bangkok. Until we meet again. I'm sure we'll meet again. Last minute budol, guys. We got mango sticky rice from the airport. So medyo mahal na siya. If you guys have made it to this point of the vlog, I just want to thank you guys for watching. And until our next travel, Kapkon Ka Thailand. See you again soon.